this is it. I mean,
That's a good one.
I'm disappointed that my own mother is amongst the people
Whoa,
who
what the
wants
fuck?
to know more about this.
Discuss the Biden case. The issue was raised many times. I know that Ukrainian officials understood.
That's the
And
shoulder.
It genuinely seems like the Ukrainians are not even remotely interested in getting involved.
Favorite dining spot in New York. Other Cosa Nostra standbys rediscovered in the new century were garment center protection payouts for labor peace. Practices dating back to Lucky Luciano's heyday.
Whoa, whoa! What the fuck? Little douchebag. Didn't know turning red too. Oh! Fuck, that was close. Fuck! Oh, Jesus! Whoa! What the fuck? What? Wow! What the fuck? You're making my home state look bad. Fuck you! I didn't drink from it. I didn't. Whoa! Whoa! Holy shit! He went into the shoulder to go around the guy on the right lane, too. Oh, that guy flat out ran the red light up there. Like, did not notice it. And that guy, too.
15 million workers, including 10 million independent contractors, 1.4 million temp workers, and 1 million contract firm workers will have expanded rights and protections according to the campaign. The 37-year-old mayor of South Bend, Indiana, a rising star of the Democratic Party, wrote that his plan will address the stagnant wages that American workers have faced since the 1980s, even as prosperity has.
Look what he's doing.
And by the way,
he's just sitting in the middle of the street.
That just a little bit.
Now I'm in the middle of the intersection because of this asshole.
Itself, and I don't believe in 15 an hour. I think just a flat 15 an hour is kind of a bogus idea.
What?
But,
don't tell me you're getting on 91.
That, particularly where I live, for example.
Wow.
Rent has gone up 14%.
God, you're a moron.
In the last 9 years.
I'm going to make a left turn at the very next light. Let's be in the right lane for it.
That's a problem.
Theme song, you must sing it in Reba voice. It's long.
I thought you were going to cuss there.
Did he blow right? Whoa!
I thought you were.
He blew right through the stop sign and someone almost hit him. Guess what? I'm still getting in front of you anyways. What the fuck? Oh, shit. What the fuck? How wide do you have to take these turns? was left turn from the right turn lane. What the fuck's that guy doing? He's a fucking fuckle. What the fuck? And he almost spun out too. He almost fishtailed. Oh, whoa! Holy crap!
Plesiadapiform that doesn't. The plesiadapiform is like some other mammals, carnivorans, for example, that just have their eyes sort of attached
Holy
to the side
shit.
of their brain case with no protective.
What? Why would you do that? Why would you do that? And this has got to be one of the more dumbest stunts I've ever seen in recent memory. What lane are you going? Oh, shit! Jesus Christ!
First time purchasers, when you any MeUndies, fuck, there was some words here.
You gotta be kidding me!
Get 15% off a pair of the most comfortable undies.
The argument that if we can't prove what, like Kenneth just said, if we can't prove that something
Really?
God, and then you're saying all.
Mr. Chairman, I have no knowledge of what was in. It was more or less a rhetorical question. I will yield
Wait,
now
whoa!
to Mr.
What
Stewart,
the fuck was that for?
Mr. Stewart.
What the fuck are you doing? Speed the fuck up! Oh shit! Really?
Problem solver products, since they work best when used together. The development process also involves extensive allergy testing. It's even one.
Talk about an exit dive.
The team.
Shit! Whoa, shit. Jesus. Oh, he scraped right up against the railing there. His mirror fell off, I think. Really? Oh, wow. What the? Yeah, move your ass. Don't run into it. Don't run into it. Did they hit? Oh. Come on, get out of the mud. Get out of the mud. Oh, that was a near accident. That white truck. Oh, I thought he was going to run it. Oh! I guess the car behind him thought the same thing. That's... Really? Oh, jeez. Whoa, what the fuck? Why the hell would you turn? Wait a minute. Why would you go? It's not even green yet. Oh, the fuck!
Most people say about real estate, they go, oh, well, my payment is $4,000 a month, and I'm collecting $6,000 in rent.
I'm right here.
Translation, they're...
Oh, yeah. What the fuck?
And I definitely understand that.
What the fuck?
I love what you...
Don't turn on red. Don't turn on red. Wow. No turn on red. Penske, they run those things to anyone, I guess. Oh, shit! Oh, shit! Whoa, what the frick was that?
Do your first audition, and then if you make the cut, you went to the network. If you didn't make it, you would get the it's not the line. But if you did
Slip
go
and
on, it was a
slide.
long day.
Whoa, what the hell's that? He came up through the wrong side of the road. Look at him go.
They were going in the 1800s. You know? When you could legit die of some shit every fucking 10 minutes and a grizzly bear could just poke his head in and be like, oh, there's breakfast. Like he's at the fucking McDonald's drive-thru, taking
that guy.
Like a fucking Happy Meal.
That guy too.
Let's get some perspective, people.
What the hell's that guy doing up there? And he uses the shoulder now.
The President of the World Coach made the shot.
Jaywalkers. No. Holy fuck. Jeez.
But there was lots of prop bets, and one night we all went to dinner at Craig's. Saquon Chef.
He's the running back. Oh!
And I had a couple.